Hey everyone, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. My name is Tanya with Mind, Body, and Soul Company, and I make aromatherapy, bath, and beauty products. So today I'm going to be making another one of my autumn soaps. I call this one Autumn Harvest. So I do have my oils mixed up in my bowl along with some kaolin clay. This is a palm-free recipe, and I always leave that down in the description box in case you'd like to try it out. So we're gonna go ahead and get our lye water poured in and give this a blend. Actually, what we're gonna do first is I am using some pumpkin in today's soap. I just have 3 ounces here, and that's 1 ounce per pound of soap. So I'm just gonna get that put in. And then we're gonna give it a quick blend before we pour in our lye water. Thought that would add a nice little bit of something extra to the soap. And it'll the pumpkin will leave some little flecks in there, but that just adds to the autumn feel of it. Blend that a little more. All right, I think that looks good there because it's still gonna get blended a little more when I pour in the lye water. So that is what we're gonna do next. And I do have sodium lactate in here as well. Tap out those air bubbles. Right. That is looking good there. So now we're gonna go ahead and split this off. I'm gonna have 4 colors total. So in my main bucket here, I'm gonna use Bronze Brown from Nurture Soap. Then I'm gonna have a white, so I'm gonna use titanium dioxide, as well as Sunset Orange from Brambleberry and Maya Gold from Mad Micas. So I'm gonna get these poured off. All right, and that looks good there. So I'm gonna set these off to the side for now. And then in this bucket, I'm gonna add in my Bronze Brown mica from Nurture Soap. Okay. And then just give that a quick stir before we stick blend it. Get my sides all scraped down. Then I'm gonna go ahead and pour in my fragrance oil. I'm using vanilla apple cinnamon from Brambleberry, and it's a lighter apple cinnamon, so I really like that. It has some notes of coconut, lemon, lime, apple, and cinnamon in it. It does have 2.5% vanillin, so it will discolor. So I am gonna leave it out of the white and the gold. So most of it's gonna go into the brown. And then I'll save a little bit back for the orange. That is smelling really nice. Nice and crisp and fresh. I thought with the apple and cinnamon and the fragrance oil and then adding in the pumpkin, that would really give it that autumn harvest feel. There we go. I am gonna give it another quick stick blend just to make sure it's all incorporated. Make sure my stick blender doesn't roll off the table. I'm going to grab my mold and get this poured in. It's still nice and liquidy, so that is good. There we go, and I'm going to save a little bit for the top. And then let me give this a quick tap. Just going to leave that off to the side for now, and then we're going to go ahead and get our other colors prepared here. All right, so into this container, I'm just gonna do my white titanium dioxide. Here we're gonna do our Maya gold. And then this one, we're gonna do our sunset orange, as well as the rest of our fragrance oil. Looks good there. All right, give everyone a quick stir. That is definitely a nice bright orange, but it's gonna get toned down some because of the vanillin content. Next we'll stir up our gold, and I will give these a stick blend also. That looks good. And finally our white, which it's not going to be like a true white because of the pumpkin that I put in the batter, so it'll be more of a cream color. All right, so I'm going to give everyone a quick blend here. Apparently I'm trying to see how many dishes I can make too. All right, so I'm going to start off with my white. Get that over to the side. And then let me get my mold back over here. So what I'm actually going to do is take this bowl and I'm going to put in some of the white. And this will get a little bit messy here. Put in some of the gold and the orange and just keep going until I run out.
So basically there was a little bit of a snafu with my camera while I was doing the funnel pour. I just continued doing the faux funnel pour, got it in the mold, and then mounted up the top and added some gold hollow glitter.
Right, and we are back to cut my autumn harvest soap. Just gonna get the little end piece off here first. So as you can see, it has darkened up, which was expected since there was the vanillin content in it, but you can still pick out kind of the creamy color as well as the orange, and it smells great. You can really pick up on the freshness of the apple, a little touch of cinnamon. I can pick out the lime in it as well, so it's a really nice fall holiday scent without being overly spicy, is how I would describe it. So I have definitely been getting ready for fall here. As a soap maker, you make all of your fall soaps pretty early. It's August when I'm filming this, and I've been kind of looking at fall decorations already, kind of getting ready to see if I need, quote unquote need, anything new to decorate with this fall. I do decorate for Halloween as well as for fall, so I'll put just some general fall stuff out first along with my Halloween decorations, and then after Halloween I'll put some additional fall decorations up. There we go, that one's really pretty. I like how the mounded top turned out, and that gold hollow from Nurture is really nice and sparkly on the top. So I do have quite a few fall soaps planned for this year, as well as a whipped sugar scrub and some wax melts. So pretty excited about my fall lineup there. The really scary part is I'm gonna be finishing up all my fall stuff in a couple weeks, and then I'll be starting on my winter and Christmas soaps, which is crazy. The beginning of this year started off super slow. When we all went into quarantine back in March, it seemed like the days were kind of just dragging on. And then as I got more in the groove of being home and summer hit, it's flown by. Like, I can't believe it's almost September already. Craziness. So I usually put my fall decorations up the first or second week of September. When do you decorate for fall? Have you already decorated, or do you wait until September, or are you like a true fall decorator and wait till October? It's always interesting to hear what other people do. Really nice swirls in that one. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, why don't you leave me a thumbs up, and I will catch you in my next one.